Now this is where it all began for Flock Audio, the Flock Audio patch system. The patch system is our flagship patch model used by hundreds of audio engineers, producers, and broadcast facilities around the world. The patch system boasts a powerful 64 points of connection, that means 32 in and 32 out, and all the features you'd want out of any type of analog routing system. Our patented routing technology is now used in our Patch LT and Patch XT models. Let's take a look at the front panel in case you're not familiar with the Flock Audio patch system. Starting on the left-hand side here, we have 2 inputs and 2 outputs. The 2 inputs are combo jacks that can accept both TRS or XLR cables, and then we have 2 standard XLR outputs. In the center here, we have our LED indicator section. Starting from the top to the bottom, we have our host LED. We have our 48-volt phantom power. This system is equipped, like all our patch models, with phantom power on board for powering microphones directly. And below that, we have our external 48 warning. This is simply just an indicator light. When you click on phantom power on a connected preamp to the patch system, this will start to flash and warn you to turn that phantom power off on the external preamp. It won't harm the system or cause any damage, but it is an indicator to notify you to shut it off. And then on the far right-hand side here of the patch system, we simply have our power rocker switch and LED indicator. Now let's take a look at the rear panel connections of the Flock Audio patch system. Starting on the left-hand side here, we have our 6-pin threaded power connector. Above that, we have our USB host control connector. Then we have 2 rows of DB25s. Our top row is our inputs, and our bottom row is our outputs. So you have 32 inputs. Each one of these is 1 through 8 channels, and you have your bottom row of 32 outputs as well. You'll note that this is different than a conventional patch bay, which normally has its outputs on the tops and inputs on the bottom. So it's a good thing to note that the patch system is actually reversed, with our inputs on the top and outputs on the bottom. To learn more about Flock Audio and where you can buy our patch system series, visit flockaudio.com.